I open Microsoft Word in my Windows computer, and suppose if I am going to press this in my computer keyboard, this is the Alt key and this is the F key. So suppose if I am going to press this Alt key and F key, these two keys at the same time, then you can see the recent document list or recent documents list have been arrived here. So remember, in your computer keyboard you must press these two keys, that's the Alt key and F key, and after that, suppose if this reason is not happening, you can simply press the R also. So you can see the number closer to these documents, recent documents 1, 2, 3, etc. Suppose if you want to open the first recent document, you must simply click this number 1 of this video. See, for more videos like this, you can subscribe and stay with Engineers World Online. Thank you.